Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Siena Beauty. So today I figured I would do a little blog before we go do what you already know what we're doing because you looked at the title. But I'm going to go get some lash extensions, and I'm so excited because lashes have been like one of my biggest, I don't know, insecurities for a while now. I have something called trichotillomania, which is whenever I have something stressful in my life, the way I relieve stress is by pulling hair. So I pull out my eyebrows and my eyelashes. So I'm gonna give you a little close-up right now. So just warning, it's kind of gross, but you can't really tell that much because I'm wearing a little makeup, but like I have a bald spot there. You can really tell this way. I also want to mention that I'm starting school tomorrow, and that is one of my biggest stresses in life, I think, just schoolwork and all that. So I really wanted to get these on before school so that hopefully if I have the feeling to pull, I'll think I don't want to pull out something I just paid money for. So hopefully it'll stop me. I've been trying to find like a little cure or something. Honestly, nothing has worked. Like, I'll start doing it and I'll like tell myself, stop doing that. Like, you're hurting yourself, you're making yourself look ugly. So I'm hoping that because I have actually paid for something that it'll tell my brain to like not do it. But I'll definitely let you guys know if you have this problem, and I'll let you know if this worked for me. And I'm really hoping because this thing is a pain. Anyways, so I'm a little hesitant because how they apply the lashes, they glue it to your actual lash themselves. So, and the reason why I wanted to get lashes was to fill in the gap that I have. So I'm kind of scared because I don't know if she'll be able to completely disguise that little gap there because I don't have much hair there. I'm gonna be filming the process so we can watch together and see the experience together. So yeah, I am really getting personal today. But I really hope you enjoy this video, and by the power of editing, we will be at the place.
So basically, like I said, you just want to keep your eyes closed. The reason is the glue is spewy. You absolutely need to open your eyes at any time. Just let me know I can cure it. And then usually people just kind of relax and, you know, sometimes people sleep.
Make it look more natural versus like the other ones.
So it's more like if I'm going to go longer, am I going to go shorter? You know, some people do like having the volume or the flat lashes, which it's a different type of lash. But yeah, classics are usually the more natural looking.
Okay.
But I also, like I said, I'll go a little bit shorter just to kind of, especially since you've never had them, it's kind of like just to get you in, you know, normal.
How many lashes do you put on?
Ooh, maybe about anywhere from 120 to 150. Yeah, we have a lot of lashes. People always say, oh, I don't have any lashes. And I was like, yes, you do.
How do you take care of them?
So basically, you just, like I said, you want to use an oil-free cleanser. You can wash your face like normal. You'll take your finger and kind of just rub above them. Don't worry about them coming off because they are waterproof. And you know, the glue is waterproof. So a lot of people don't clean their lashes because they think, oh, my lashes are going to fall out. And they think that's why their lashes are falling out. But they're falling out because we naturally lose 3 lashes a day. So it's not even the water, as people would think. And that's where those horror stories with the lash mites come from. That's basically, it's, you know, it's just like if you didn't wash your hair. And then plus that makes more oil build up on them.
I don't think I've ever washed them.
washed your lashes?
Yeah, I've never thought about it.
Well, you wash your face, so you're still washing your lashes by washing your face. You know, it's basically like you're gonna take your finger and you're just gonna, you know, just wash above your like as if you were taking off eyeliner or something. They're pretty easy to take care of. I think you just do your normal routine. As long as your products are oil free, you'll be okay. So basically, I am separating each individual lash. I'm taking a lash, and I have 2 tweezers. One will be my separating tweezer, and I dip it in my glue, and I place it right there on your lash.
How long was that?
About 2 hours. Tape is a little more rough to take off.
Is that just water?
It's like a mist. It's yeah, it's just like a mist of water, and it just kind of helps.
It smells good.
Yeah, it's filtered water, and that's what everybody says. They're like, it smells good. I'm like, I didn't put anything in it. I don't know if there's like if the filtered water, like, I'm not sure. So you feel how I'm brushing them? So basically what you're doing is you're brushing down and twisting, and I'm basically just turning the brush as I brush them down. And like this. Okay. That'll take off a lot of water, and then just brush them back up.
Okay, here we go. Oh my gosh. Oh, they're so pretty.
They're so much fun. It's like you have mascara on.
Wow. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
I love them.
I know, it's like mascara, right?
Yeah.
Like you don't have to worry about anything.
They look so
But it's just so fun to wake up in the morning and it's like
ready to go.
Yeah.
Good.
Yeah. That's what I was telling her. It's like the convenience of like I have my lashes and I put lipstick on and I'm like, oh, everybody's like, you look so great. I'm like, it's the lashes. Like honestly. It's literally it's the lashes.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. I'm not sure, but you know, I always like to.
Alright guys, so I am back. Oh my goodness, it has taken me so long to upload this video. It's been about, what is it? Almost 2 months now since I got my lashes done. Obviously I've gone back and gotten some fills. Actually today I got a fill. I just want to let you guys know that I had just a wonderful experience with Siena. If you guys want to check her out, I'll leave all of her links in the description box below. Also, she was kind enough to give me a discount, so if you go there and mention my name, you'll get $10 off your first purchase. If you're wondering about her pricing, she charges $130 for a classic lash, but if it's your first time, it's only $100. And if you mention my name, it'll be $10 off that, so you'd be only paying $90, which is an awesome price for what you're getting. And also, if you're wondering about fills, they're only $60. I highly recommend going to see her if you're in the Seattle area. She is located in Monroe. At the beginning of this video, you saw my little vlog there where I told you guys that I've been pulling my lashes and eyebrows. I will say that getting lashes helped tremendously. It didn't stop. I did still pull my lashes a little bit. I've been having to go back every 2 weeks to get a fill because of this. I think because I've been touching my lashes a little bit, the oils on my fingers have been getting on the lashes, and I feel like they've been falling off faster than they would be if I didn't have that problem. I do think that this has been helping me, and I think that's awesome. I used to probably pull 10 to 20 lashes a day, and now it's probably 5 or 10 a week. I think that's a huge achievement for me, and I really want to keep on this trend. I've also noticed that my lashes have been growing back, and I'm so happy. Yay! Anyways, I guess the point of this is if you're having this issue as well, I recommend getting your lashes done because, at least for me, I'm not wanting to pull them as much because they're beautiful and I don't want to get rid of them. But even if you don't have this problem, and if you want your lashes to just look beautiful, and honestly, the ease of having lashes is awesome. I just wake up in the morning and go. Like, I've honestly been having 30 more minutes of sleep every morning, and it's been amazing. Anyways, you guys, I really appreciate you watching this video. Go ahead and check out my other videos. I have a bunch of videos on makeup, and I only do makeup. That's honestly my thing. But if you guys want to see other videos from me, let me know in the comments down below, and give this video a like too if you enjoyed it, or if it helped you, if you have the same issue, maybe. If you have this issue too, let me know. Let's support each other and help each other out. Thanks for watching, you guys. I really appreciate it, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!